Hello, what's up? Gonna be playing some Happy Wheels today for you guys to play. I don't know why, but I like this one. Let's play it. Oh. Ew. Oh my god. What the? Oh no. Gotta do something about that. No. Oh god. Here, we'll just restart. Get off the ground. Ugh, we'll just eject it. Oh my god. Okay, we'll eject. We shall eject. Oh, come on. No. C, isn't it? Isn't it eject for C? Or control? No, yeah, it's control. Oh my god. Screw this, my last time. Okay, we're good. We're good! Oh, shit. I was making some freaking... Shut the fuck up, kid. Oh my god! No! Oh. Oh.